Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to chapter number 11, that is transport and communication. We'll start with communication. Like transportation, communication is also basic infrastructure. Communication or exchange of information is important process in today's era. In today's modern age, man-made satellites are an important effective means of communication. The exchange of messages through mobiles, watching programs on TV, getting update information regarding climate conditions, etc. It possible simultaneously through man-made satellites. Satellites image obtained by the remote sensing facilitate study of resources on the Earth's surface and help in the regional planning. In this age of internet and social media, everyone needs to use this system. The government of India is incentivizing the use of online trading, payment, money transfer, etc. Many applications which can be used on the mobile phone have been developed. For example, BHMI app, SBI, anywhere, etc. Through this communication facility, we can pay various bills, sell, buy, carry out such transactions. See now, apart from the transportations, now we'll come to the communications. Communication is very important source of getting into touch with each other, to know about the latest news, and connecting people, paying bills. So these are very important because of the communication, because this is vital in today's era. Now see, man-made satellites communication is help in we can watch matches on the movies, sorry, on mobile phone and television from the various places. If for example, if the match is going on England, we can watch here till in our house. How this is possible? Because of the satellite, because of the communication facility, because of the remote sensing. It helps to get to know about the climate condition of the other regions. For example, what are the climate condition right now in Kashmir, how the geographical how that war and the petrol price is going on Iraq, and these are done on the communications facility. Now the government of India had get to know that communication is important. Mobile, social media, internet is in important today's world. People are very busy, they cannot travel from one place to another, like just to pay bill from they have how their own all the, what we can say, their that means they are busy, they cannot go for this such small things to do this all trading. So there are various applications from which we can transfer money, we can recharge our cell phone, or we can see TV easily, we can see pay bills easily. So these comes in under communications. Now, communication facilities now developed on a large scale. This is not just limited talking on the cell phones or sending messages, but also video calling is available now. Similarly, through video conferencing, we can talk to many people at a time. Now communication is not all about talking, or you're talking on the phone, you're talking on the cell phone. No, it is more than cell phone. We can messages through different people from the they are sitting in America and we are in India, we can message them. Even now the most important technology is we can see each other through video calling. So the video calling is now new things for us, that we can call anybody who's sitting any part of the world, and we are talking to them on the video thing. This is important in the business line also. If they wanted to deal with the clients, or they have to deal with the other businessman, so they can go with the video conferencing, that one person can see the whole conference and the whole conference can see one person. Beside this above facility, means of communication have few threats associated with them. Many crimes are happening through internet, like website, email hacking, fraud, thief, attack, wars and terrorism, etc. Possibilities of threats like theft of information, economic frauds, attacking important website, etc. arise. Therefore, one should take precaution while using social networks. We should not reveal our information before ensuring the safety. We should not put any sensitive information or personal information on social networking site, blogs, etc. Figure 11 point show that the image of the cyber attack. These attacks are happening in between various countries. This will give you an idea of cyber wars happening in the world of internet. See, every coin has a two side. One, that communication is so important, internet is so important, social media is so important, and on the other hand, it is very harmful, and it should take a lots of precautions and safety while communicating, or while giving your information on the internet, because there are numbers of fraud people who took your information. Right now, the most recent topic is going on, that your amount got deducted from your bank through UPI numbers. How this has happened? They will take your credit card, they'll ask you your PIN number, and they'll deduct your amount from the paid this bank account. Now many of the frauds, they will call you the fraud calls and scam calls, and they ask you the information, and the people who are not so so like you are not that important, so then they will steal your money, then they'll use your information by cybercrime. They will reveal that secrets to people. This is called economic fraud, attacking this economic frauds, and thief. They will get the they will not that these things are not that safe. You have to take lots of precautions. You have to be presentable, or your mind should be presentable while giving the information to these sites. See, you can see this is called as a cybercrime. These are the countries where the cybercrime attacks a lot. So we should take care of these things. We'll see till here. Next we'll continue in next session. I guess this chapter is over. We'll see the next chapter. Thank you.